In this video, I'll show you how to enable text-to-speech on your Samsung Galaxy S26. So this feature basically allows your phone to read any text, or if you are reading an article or any other text that's available on the screen. So for you to enable this feature, you need to install a third-party application known as Android Accessibility Suite. So open the Google Play Store on your S26 and then tap on the search bar, search option at the bottom right corner, and search for Android Accessibility Suite. And then from here, you can simply tap on it. And then this is the one by Google LLC. Tap on that and then select install and allow the application to be installed on your Samsung S26. Now, once the application is installed, simply access the settings. So go to the settings and then within the settings, scroll down and find accessibility. Tap on it and then select installed applications. Select that and then you should see the option select to speak. So tap on that and ensure that you have enabled the select to speak shortcut. Now once you have enabled it, you should see some permissions that are needed. So all you have to do is select allow, and then once you have selected allow, you can simply tap on the settings and then you can select text to speech settings and customize it from here. So you can change the preferred engine. So you can tap on that and you can either choose Samsung text or speech recognition from Google. So I'll just select from Google because that's the best. You can also choose the language that you'd like. You can either choose the system language or you can select any other language that you'd like to use. And also you can choose the speech rate. You can increase it to slow or to fast, or you can reduce it to slow. And also you can change the pitch of that particular text-to-speech voice. You can tap on play.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
And you can hear a preview of how it looks like. So once you're done, you can also choose to change the reading voice if you prefer. So there are a couple of options that you can choose from. So scroll through and find the one that you'd like. And then once you're done, tap on done. And then also you can choose to enable read to the background. But keep in mind this is an experimental feature. So you can select that and that will read text in the background. Also, you can choose to enable the read text on image. Keep in mind that it's a better option. So you can tap on the text within a photo or camera viewfinder to hear the text read aloud. Now, once you've done customizing everything, you can simply go back. And then from here, simply select to speak shortcut again, tap on it. And then you can see the actions that you can use to start or stop using select to speech. So you can choose to tap the button in the quick settings panel. So there will be a button appear on the quick settings, or you can tap on accessibility button, or you can choose press side and volume up buttons, or you can choose to press and hold the volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. So choose the one that you prefer. So let me just select these two. And then once you're done, you can exit and you have successfully set up the select to speech. Now from here, all you have to do is open any text or article that you'd like to be read aloud. So let me just go to Google and find any article. So once I find an article, so all you have to do, since I have enabled the accessibility shortcut, I can tap on that and then you should see this menu appear. And then from here, all you have to do is select play.
View your Chrome history here. Toggle menu, homepage, subscribe, sign in, market status, open, the 5th of April 2020.
And you can hear a preview of it reading out through the entire text that is on the screen.
The 5th of April 2026, 12 8.
So you can close if you like to, or you can play for it to continue.
13.65.
And also if you want to stop, you can simply tap on that and that will stop the speech or text to speech option on your Samsung Galaxy S26. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, read them down in the comment section below and I'll see you on the next one.